Hello and welcome dear friends. Today I am here for study the spelling lesson of sound from Grammar Pupil Book 1. We will start our lesson from revision of short vowels. So do the action of short vowels with me. At the side of the box, edge the box, in the box, or on the box, under the box. We will revise some tricky words. Are, you, come, they, sat, there, here, same, all, your. Now we will discuss f sound. Action of the f. Bring your hands together gently and say again the do action. Bring your hands together gently and say now. After the action, we will discuss double letter rule. When a sound f is heard after a short vowel at the end of a one syllable word, it is spelled with a double f. For example, scoff, huff, jiff, puff, cliff. Now we will discuss page number 16 from Grammar Pupil Book 1. The page has 3 segments: spelling list, activity page, and dictation. So we will read spelling list. A, p, up. M, a, n, man. Cr, a, b, crab. O, f, off. Cl, a, f, cliff. St, a, f, stiff. K, a, f, cuff. Next, 2 are tricky words, so we will read these words by the trick, not by the sound. Come and some. Last word is stuffing. 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 So after the spelling list, we will discuss activity page. Write an word in each cliff and draw a picture to illustrate it. So the first is cliff, second is cuff, off, muffin, sniff, and fluff. We will already write and draw some pictures and write some words of sound. Now we will discuss dictation. The first word is off, cuff, huff, gruff, rough, cliff. After the dictation, we will write some sentences, and sentence will be start from capital letter and end with full stop. I am off today. He stood on the edge of the cliff. The cuff is black. After the dictation, we will read a story for more practice. The billy goat's gruff. Down by the river live the billy goat's gruff. The wool on their bodies is just like fluff. A grumpy tall troll who huffs and puffs lives under the bridge of the billy goat's gruff. This grumpy old troll wears fluffy ear muffs. He hates the sound of the billy goat's gruff. He hears their hoofs and he sniffs and scoffs. Then he bellows out loud, "Would you God clear off. I hope you like this lesson. So if you find any hurdle, any problem, watch this video again and again. Thank you.